Hello class, this is Dr. J coming to you for Unit 1 Discussion 2, where we are going to discuss the parameters around critical to quality characteristics. So if you're looking at your discussion question again, by the time you see this video, you should have read all your required reading for Unit 1 and any supplemental material that is within Unit 1 course shell. So the discussion for this week is a fundamental aspect of Six Sigma methodology is identification of critical to quality characteristics that are vital to customer satisfaction. So I want you to identify and depict the various activities required to support CTQs, which is critical to quality, for an organization's products or services. Include measures and controls and tools to solicit a voice of the customer, which is VOC. Critical to quality. Let's look at this as on a customer level. We all know what we want as a customer. So get an idea of, let's say, for example, you're going to the mall, and let's say you're going to buy a pair of sneakers. You find that some people are very particular when it comes to buying a certain type of sneaker. Maybe you're a Nike fan, maybe you're a Reebok fan, or maybe you're a Converse or Puma. There's a certain types of sneakers that people would like to buy, but they're the customer. They know why. Maybe one type of sneaker has a higher quality than the other type of sneaker. So there are things that customers look for in quality. So they want to get what they pay for. That goes to show that it's critical to quality on the manufacturing side, that they meet customers' expectations. So think about all of that as you go through your reading and construct your answer for this discussion. So it's basically what are your expectations as a customer? There are certain expectations that we look for when we go, no matter what it is that we buy. If you're going out to buy a sandwich, let's just say from Subway, you want your Subway sandwich constructed in the way that you like your sandwich to be constructed. You want a certain amount of lettuce, you want a certain amount of tomatoes, you want a certain amount of meat. So it's constructed to your liking. So that's your quality, and the organization, which is Subway, should be making it at top quality for you as the customer. So it's measurable characteristics that's expected and needed from us as consumers. Remember that saying, the customer is always right. So ask yourself, is the customer always right in every situation? Think about that as you also construct your response to this discussion. The importance of critical to quality is that there are, again, we go back into Six Sigma characteristics. We look at, is the end product that an organization creating, is it satisfying a customer's need? So think about that. So it ties in all together. You have a manufacturing company, you have a service company, are those products or services satisfying the customer needs? And how is that getting measured? So think about, how can you reach out to these customers to find out if the products or the services that you're supplying to these customers, how do you know the customers are satisfied? Are they returning customers? What are the measurements? What are the parameters that help you identify the success of that? And a connection to this as on a course level or on other programs. Let's take, for instance, end of course evaluations that all students should be filling out, because it only helps you in the end, because you, the student, you're the customer. So if you're doing this end of course evaluation, you are letting the school know what it is you're satisfied with, what it is you're not satisfied with, where the school can make improvements, based off of your feedback, and make the necessary improvements to help satisfy student needs. So think about that. Okay. Good luck with discussion 2, and I look forward to hearing your responses. Dr. J signing off.